Hey everybody, welcome back to day 8 of our sticker advent cup. Let's see what's in store for us today. Day 8. Been through a whole week now. Oh, more food. Deer Station. These are stickers from Deer Station. Oh my gosh. Lots of pancakes. I'm all in favor. Pancakes are one of the main food groups I live by. They've got the big Japanese fluffy pancakes. I think that's what those are, maybe. Look, he's climbing a mountain of pancakes. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I promised you I wasn't gonna squeal, but I may not be able to do that. All right, so this looks like a stack of rainbow sorta pancakes. That's kind of Roy G. Biv. We'll go with that. And what else? What else? Sure, why not? Little hearts, little loves, and one more, just because I don't know what these are. They're very cute. Oh, are those like those fruit roll-ups? Maybe. All right. Good to go. Day 8 done. We are just killing the month of December, aren't we? Oh. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we will do day 9. See ya.